Good morning. Just a continuation of my experiment with ceramic coat versus wax. I thought it had already failed, but it was not shedding dirt as good as it had been. Definitely not beating up water, but it's I think after washing the very front, it was not shedding because of the layer of dirt that had built up on it. Notice pretty much no bead, not very good sheeting, almost the same, maybe not even quite as good as the wax, but I believe the wax has already failed. Like I said, it was just a good quality Carnauba wax. It doesn't last very long, and this has been about 3 months now. But after washing the layer of dirt off, excuse my camera skills, but let me give it a little light wash here, which after doing the hood and the front fenders, noticed it was back to sheeting and rolling off quite nicely. So I'll just do this little bit of work and rinse it. Notice the front fender that I've previously washed, and in this it wasn't sheeting very well just a moment ago. And now that the layer of dirt is gone, quite a bit better. You know, another attribute of it, it was very easy to get the bugs off the front. I did use a little bit of the bug remover that I like, Detailer's Roadkill, but it still came off much easier than last time, but still very nice sheeting. So far happy. I'm going to go ahead and strip the wax, what's left on the back, and finish out the ceramic coat on the back half of the truck at this point. Didn't see a huge difference in dirt retention between the two, or dirt shedding. But I'll go ahead and clean up the back and do a little bit of polish in a spot or two and cover it, and then continue documenting how it holds up. Thank you much.